Hi, this is Matt with Holly Inspections. Have you ever walked in a house, you go, what's that sweet smell I keep smelling? Well, okay, nobody says that when it comes down to sewer gases, but hey, somebody might. We were thinking that and wondering that throughout today's inspection until we got in the basement and we found the sewer line. It has not one, but two breaks in the sewer line that were anywhere from 18 inches to 2 foot long. And those breaks are letting that sweet aroma of sewer gas fill up the house. Okay, so nobody's ever called that aroma sweet, but the house was full of sewer gas. For all your home inspection needs and all your home inspection questions in the St. Louis and the St. Louis Metro East, call Holly Inspections at 314-257-0040 or 618-593-9631. We wish everybody a safe and happy day. Thank you.